Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making both devices ready and entering pairing mode. Put the AirPods Pro in their case, open the lid, then press and hold the rear setup button until the status light blinks white. This forces Bluetooth pairing mode. On your Garmin watch, immediately open Settings, go to Sensors and Accessories, choose Add New, and select Audio or Headphones. Begin the scan right away. Doing these steps in quick succession avoids timeouts and ensures the watch detects the AirPods Pro. Once the Garmin shows available devices, tap the entry labeled AirPods Pro. You must accept any pairing or connection prompts on the watch. This exchanges keys and finalizes pairing. Wait for the watch to display a confirmation like connected or paired. This can take a few seconds. After connection, play a short audio clip or start a 1-2 minute workout audio preview on the watch to verify sound routes to the AirPods. If audio plays, you're set and can use the watch standalone for media. To finalize, close the AirPods case and reopen, then confirm stable audio during a full workout. If pairing repeatedly fails, reboot the Garmin and reset the AirPods Pro by holding the setup button until the amber then white light cycles. This clears prior pairings. Once done, rerun the add audio process on the watch. If problems persist, make sure the Garmin and AirPods firmware are current via the phone apps. That single firmware mismatch is the most common issue and often the decisive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.